Dozens of people were left stranded after the collision in southern Turkey. One person was killed and 10 others were injured on Friday in the southern Turkish province of Antalya after a cable cabin collided with a broken pole, the Interior Ministry said on Saturday. 24 cabins were stranded in Dhaka at 5:23 p.m. on Friday. 16 hours later, more than 60 people were still stranded in the remaining 9 cabins in the air, the ministry said. 112 people had been rescued. None of the people waiting to be rescued had critical injuries or were in poor condition. Disaster and Emergency Management Authority Chairman OK Menis told reporters at the scene, adding that they aimed to complete rescue work before sunset. In a statement on social media platform X, the Interior Ministry said 7 helicopters and more than 500 rescue workers were carrying out rescue efforts. A video released by the Interior Ministry showed rescue personnel tied to safety ropes climbing into cabins. According to the information on its website, the cable car has 36 cabins with a capacity of 6 people each, and it takes an average of 9 minutes to go up hill to the connected facility with panoramic views of the city of Antalya. Sorry,